In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view multiple locations' schedules at a time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You must have enterprise level permissions in order to do this. Then click on Schedules. You will automatically be taken to your organization/day schedule view. From this view, I can see multiple schedules at a time. At the top is the after hours one. If I scroll down, I can see my coffee shop C schedule. I'll scroll back up. Each schedule is currently broken down by time and day. If I want to change the date, I can use the calendar icon or the forward and backward arrows. I'll click the backward arrow, and now I'm viewing one day earlier. I am currently viewing this schedule by employee. If I want to change that to something else, I can click the arrow next to employee and choose something like station. Now I'm viewing this by location, by station for Tuesday, August 20th. If I don't want the shifts broken down by location, but I want to see them all grouped together, I can uncheck the box next to by location. Now I'm seeing all of the bartender shifts for all of these locations, all of the beverage shifts, the bus shifts, the cashier shifts, and so on. I like it better when it's broken down by location, so I'm going to recheck that box. If I want to view the schedules by week instead of by day, I can click Views in the top menu bar and choose Organization/Week. And now I'm viewing this by location by week. At the top is the after hours location, and as you can see, it is broken down by day of the week. If I scroll down, you can see that coffee shop C location broken down the same way. That's how you can view multiple locations in TeamWork 5. I can also make any changes to these schedules that I want to, just like if I was at that schedule's location. So I can change the assignments, the times of the shifts, anything I would like. To learn how to do that and other things with your schedules, check out the other TeamWork 5 scheduling videos.